Dishwasher areas can be a little harder to maintain as they're used throughout the day. Food debris and water sources help breed pests such as flies and cockroaches. Keeping the dishwasher clean and watching for water leakage will help prevent these pests from finding a perfect home in your kitchen. There may be unwanted food stuck in the filters. Remove all filters and clean with a water gun and soft brush. Then, using a dishwashing cleaning solution, spray the filters, clean with a small brush, and rinse. Check the filter regularly. If you don't, dishes won't be cleaned properly and water won't drain. You should clean the filter every 20 cycles. Using a small brush, clean around the door of the dishwasher, grooves, and crevices of the rubber seal. Wipe dirt away, pull the bottom rack out, and clean the drain area too. Run a hot cycle only with the sanitizing solution, which will wash away grime and remove any musty odors. Here are a few tips to help prevent spots on your dishes and spotware. Use a rinse aid. Make sure to remove food from dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. Check filters for food regularly.